Every Oxford Insight course is customizable for your classroom's needs. Should you desire to add any content to the course, the following process will allow you to do so. Begin by logging into Oxford Insight and clicking on the course you wish to edit. Switch from Instructor View to Authoring mode. Click on the Content button and then Course Home for an overview of all your course content. Click through until you find the section you'd like to adjust. To add content to an existing assignment, hover over the activity and select Edit. Click Add New Item to create a new question to be added to the assessment. Click the text field labeled Reference to change the name of the question to something you can find again later, then click the plus sign to add a new question. Choose your question type. Note that you have additional question types available through the menus located to the left of the screen. Compose your question in the text box. Set the correct answer and change the points if you wish. Click on Save in the upper right corner of the screen. When your work has successfully saved, this button will turn green. Click Done to add more questions or finish editing the quiz. You can also search the question bank by clicking Add Existing Item. Scroll through the options listed, or click on the drop-down arrow of the Find the Reference field to expand your search options to find the appropriate question. When you've found the question you'd like to add, click the corresponding checkbox. Click Done once you have finished making your selections and save your changes. Click the Preview button to review the questions added, or switch to Student View to see how your students will see the changes you've made. If you've previously removed any content from the course, you can also easily add it back by searching for it through the Add Existing Item section. Returning to the overview of all content, click the plus button and select Create New Chapter to add custom content to the text. This will add a brand new chapter at the bottom of your content list. Scroll down and find the new chapter and add a title, subtitle, and thumbnail, and click the green checkmark to save. To add content to this new chapter, click the Edit button. You can type an optional description or start adding pages by clicking the plus button and selecting either a ready-made page from the page library, or click Create New Page at the bottom of the menu. When you've added a new page, give it a title, subtitle, and thumbnail. Then click Edit to start adding components. Once again, you can add a description to the page or begin adding content that is already in your content library. Or, select Create New Component. The new component page has some best practice tips listed at the top and a selection of component types to choose from. Within each component type, you can choose from content that is currently in your library, or upload something new. Be sure to save your changes and then navigate back to the text in Student View to preview your new content. For more information or further help, please visit the Oxford Insight Knowledge Base. Have a great term.